Sometimes money is hard to talk about, but money is part of life, and we make important decisions every day. Still, most English courses don't teach you how to talk about money. Today, you will hear real dialogues about money problems, habits, and decisions. You'll see how Mike and Jonas talk about credit cards, spending, and asking for help. But don't just watch. Try this. Listen first. Then, choose one character. Repeat their lines. Use a mirror or your phone. Practice speaking out loud. Because if you don't speak, you don't grow. Let's get started. It was a Tuesday afternoon, and Mike was waiting anxiously at home. The doorbell rang, and it was exactly what he was waiting for.
It's here! Finally! I've been anxiously waiting for you.
Please sign here. Thank you, and have a good day.
My drone! Now I'm the king of the skies. This deal was fantastic.
He enthusiastically opened the box, assembled the device, and took it to the backyard. For the first 10 minutes, it was incredible. The drone flew high, and the camera's image was sharp. But the euphoria quickly faded.
My God, what have I done? I don't even really know why I bought this. Jonas is helping me organize my finances, and I go and pull a stunt like this? I'm gonna call him.
Jonas?
I messed up again.
What happened, man?
I bought a drone on impulse. It cost a fortune, and now I'm here looking at it without knowing why. The fun lasted 10 minutes.
I get it. It's that momentary thrill, right? So what are you going to do?
I think I'll just return it. I have 7 days to do that, right?
Exactly. That's the best thing to do. Use this as a learning experience. But before you return it, can you do me a favor?
Sure. What do you need?
I have a leak in my roof. Can you bring the drone over so I can see if it's a broken tile?
Okay, I'll bring it over, but I'm gonna have to charge you for the service.
After hanging up, Mike was already getting ready to go to Jonas's house and thought,
I need to stop falling for these traps. The thrill of the purchase is short-lived, but the dent in my credit card bill lasts for months. Next time, I'd better just do nothing.
So, what did you think about Mike's story? Have you ever bought something on impulse and then felt regret? Leave a comment and tell me your experience. Now let's practice. You listen 2 times to how the characters say the words. Then, when you see you, it's your turn to repeat. At the end, we'll do a full dialogue and you will be Mike. Let's start.
Jonas, I bought something again. Jonas, I bought something again.
What did you buy this time? What did you buy this time?
A drone. It was on sale. A drone. It was on sale.
Was it a planned purchase? Was it a planned purchase?
No, it was kind of impulsive. No, it was kind of impulsive.
How much did it cost? How much did it cost?
Around $500. Around $500.
That's a lot for something you didn't plan. That's a lot for something you didn't plan.
I know. The worst part is that I barely used it. I know. The worst part is that I barely used it.
How long did you use it? How long did you use it?
Like 10 minutes. Like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That's fast regret, my friend. 10 minutes? That's fast regret, my friend.
Yeah, I already want to return it. Yeah, I already want to return it.
Do you still have the receipt? Do you still have the receipt?
Yes, and I think I have 7 days. Yes, and I think I have 7 days.
Then go for it. That's smart. Then go for it. That's smart.
I feel so dumb sometimes. I feel so dumb sometimes.
Don't. Mistakes teach us more than manuals. Don't. Mistakes teach us more than manuals.
Honestly, I buy to feel something. Honestly, I buy to feel something.
Do you feel better after buying? Do you feel better after buying?
Only for a moment. Only for a moment.
Let's try something different. Let's try something different.
Like what? Like what?
Let's track your spending together. Let's track your spending together.
Really? You'll help me? Really? You'll help me?
Of course. We start tonight. Of course. We start tonight. What did you buy this time? Was it a planned purchase? How much did it cost? That's a lot for something you didn't plan. How long did you use it? 10 minutes. That's fast regret, my friend. Do you still have the receipt? Then go for it. That's smart. Don't. Mistakes teach us more than manuals. Do you feel better after buying? Let's try something different. Let's track your spending together. Of course. We start tonight.
Great job! You made it to the end. Now, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can watch this video again as many times as you need to remember the questions and answers. This lesson is based on the book Essential Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. And to keep practicing, watch the next video right here on the screen. Let's keep learning together.